Myself Shobhosachi Ghosh from Department of FITAR, Government ITI. Today I will discuss about different types of iron carbon system. So from its name it is clear that iron carbon system is basically a system that comprises of iron and carbon. In a iron carbon system, if the percentage of carbon is less than 0.008%, then it is known as iron or wrought iron. If the percentage of carbon is from 0.008% to 2%, then it is called as steel, and if the percentage is more than that, then it is known as cast iron. So iron or wrought iron, steel and cast iron are different types of iron carbon system which we generally used in our common life. Now again, steel is subdivided into two major types. If the percentage carbon in steel is from 0.008% to 0.8%, then it is known as hypoeutectoid steel. If carbon content in steel is from 0.8% to 2%, then it is known as hypereutectoid steel. Now come to cast iron. As discussed earlier, cast iron is an iron carbon system where percentage of carbon is more than 2%. Like steel, cast iron can also be divided into two types. First one is hypoeutectoid cast iron, where the percentage of carbon is from 2% to 4.3%. And the second type is hypereutectoid cast iron, where the percentage of carbon is more than 4.3%. This classification is based on iron carbon diagram of metrology. Now we look into the detailed classification of steel. Steel can also be classified in another aspect. Now in our screen we can see this classification, where steel is subdivided into two major categories. First one is plain carbon steel and the second one is alloy steel. So what is the plain carbon steel? Plain carbon steel is a type of steel where we does not use any alloying elements along with the steel, and alloy steel is the type of steel where we use various type of alloying elements along with plain carbon steel to improve various mechanical properties as per requirement. Plain carbon steel is again classified into three types. First one is low carbon steel, second one is medium carbon steel, and the third one is high carbon steel. Their name, it is clear that this classification is based on the percentage of carbon and also ornamented with alternative name as per their characteristics or application in modern life. Low carbon steel is a type of steel where the percentage of carbon is from 0.008% to 0.3%. It is also known as mild steel because it provides very mild response to the heat treatment. Now come to the medium carbon steel, where the percentage of carbon is from 0.3% to 0.6%, and it could be heat treated very efficiently as per requirement. So it is mostly used to manufacture different machine parts. So another name of medium carbon steel is machinery steel. Now come to the high carbon steel. It has the carbon percentage is more than 0.6%. As we know that the percentage of carbon also ensures the increment of hardness. So generally high carbon steel has more hardness than its ancestors. Due to its hardness, it is basically used for the manufacturing of cutting tools. So this steel is also known as tool steel. Now come to the alloy steel. Alloy steel is basically a type of steel where we add some alloying elements along with plain carbon steel as per requirement for some definite mechanical property as per requirement. If the alloying element is less than 10%, then the alloy steel is known as low alloy steel, and if the alloying elements is greater than 10%, then it is known as high alloy steel. Though alloy steel provides better mechanical properties than plain carbon steel, but it is costlier than plain carbon steel and used where quality is in utmost important. So this was the basic classification of iron carbon system. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.